Plexus is seen on this model. It's number 2 right there, but it's not just that nerve. Like all plexuses, it's a group of nerves. So this group of nerves right here, that one, that one, that one, that one, that one, these are all the cervical plexus. And then the brachial plexus is this number 3 right here, but it's not just that nerve, it's this group of nerves right here. You can also see the brachial plexus down here in the large arm. That's that number 67, that's the brachial plexus right there. And then coming from the brachial plexus, I have this first nerve to bifurcate from it right here. That's the axillary nerve. I'm looking for the number. It's 68. Can you see that 68 in there? That's 68 is the axillary nerve. The nerve right above it right there, that's the musculocutaneous nerve. That's number 70. That's musculocutaneous. And then the nerve right above that, so here's axillary, here's musculocutaneous. That's the radial nerve. That's number 80. Now, what's happening here is, because it looks like you're on the pinky side, that radial nerve wraps around the humerus. That's 80 again. That's still radial nerve. And then it comes out right here. This is still radial nerve right here. But this radial nerve runs up and bifurcates right here. And this branch right here of the radial nerve, this is called the ramus superficialis radialis, because it's the branch of the radial nerve that stays superficial. Ramus superficialis radialis. There is a number for it, and I can tell you what the number is supposed to be, although you don't see it. It's number 81. So that ramus superficialis radialis is number 81, although the number is not seen here. All right, the ulnar nerve. The ulnar nerve is right here. It runs underneath the medial epicondyle of the humerus, and you can see it right there. That's the ulnar nerve. The number for the ulnar nerve, it's hard to see on this model, is 74. That's the ulnar nerve. The first branch from the ulnar nerve we're going to talk about, it's not the very first branch, but the first one we're going to talk about, if you follow this up through, is it branches back here to the back of the hand. This is called the ramus dorsalis manus, because ramus means branch, dorsal means the back side, and manus means hand. This is the back of the hand. The ramus dorsalis manus is number 76, although you have a hard time seeing that number on this model. But other models will have a 76 right there. The ramus palmaris manus. The ramus palmaris manus is actually right here. That's the ramus palmaris manus. Why would we name it so early before we got to the palm of the hand? Because this ramus palmaris manus, and it's supposed to be number 75, is going to bifurcate here into the ramus profundus, in here into the ramus superficialis. This profundus you only see a little bit of because it's running deep, and the ramus superficialis stays superficial. The ramus profundus right here is supposed to be number 77. It kind of looks like a 77, but part of it's been rubbed off. The ramus superficialis right here is 78. Now look what the ramus superficialis ulnaris does. The ramus superficialis ulnaris bifurcates into 2 nerves, one that runs to the pinky and one that runs to the ring finger. These are called common palmar digital nerves. And the common palmar digital nerves coming from the ulnar nerve have a number of 79. There's supposed to be a 79 on, oh, right there it is, 79. Common palmar digital. There's another set of common palmar digitals that go to the middle pointer and thumb, but they come from the median nerve. So that's it for the ulnar nerve. Now the median nerve. This is the median nerve right here. It's number 71, and right next to it is the anterior interosseous nerve, number 72. So median nerve, anterior interosseous nerve. Now what happens with this median nerve is it runs under the carpal tunnel. This retinaculum makes the carpal tunnel. And that median nerve bifurcates into these common palmar digitals that go to the middle finger, pointer finger, and thumb. That number right there for the common palmar digital is, it's supposed to be number 73. It's supposed to be a 70. It doesn't look like it to me, but that's supposed to be a 73 per your key. So that's the common palmar digital nerve from the median, and it goes middle, pointer, thumb.